Out there is the Tampa Airport area. Also a balcony we cannot use, unfortunately. We're gonna turn to our right. We have our air condition there. And here is our living room portion of our suite. TV right there. Nice chair here. More modern looking couch than I've seen at other properties of this brand. Sleeper couch. More of that table. That's the table. That's a little dresser, I would say. Then we come into this area. We have a lot of room here. Let's see if it says our maximum room rate. It can go up to, whoa, $1,400 for either of the rooms. Wow, that could be expensive. All right, then we have our kitchenette. I just bumped into the wall, but we're all good. Bright white cabinets and stuff. These actually probably are not cabinets. Actually, you can't really open it unless you work here or something like that. Coffee maker, teas and stuff, coffee, all that, ice bucket. Good size refrigerator and microwaves with shelves. Still a lot of room here. It's a big room. Then we get into the sleeping chambers. We have the double bed. Then we have a TV right here, another good size window. One table side bed. We come into the little hallway. Lots of room for activities in this one. Got a closet, of course. Safe, iron, extra bedding. Got a little powder area, I would call it. Put your makeup on or something. Nice bright bathroom with the lights all the way around the mirror. We do have a hair dryer, 0% products, art, and then we have a shower tub with more of our products on those walls. Very bright bathroom. We love it. So yeah. This is the room, folks. Tampa Airport location.